When you order the case, this tool comes with it, and it allows you to loosen the ring that's holding the dust cap in place. Once you remove the lock ring, you can remove the dust cap and then add the ring, which you will get in the universal zoom gear pack. You will have to order this separately. When you place it in, make sure you place it with the teeth facing down and then lock it in. I'll show you how to set up your lens later in the video. You'll need 2 hands to open the buckles. You have to push one lever and pull up with the other. It's pretty straightforward, and there are 3 clips. Next is important, but only if you're using strobes, which I recommend. This is the piece that connects your flash, but you'll have to replace this cord with the one that comes in your Ikelite CT1 hot shoe kit. This will also have to be ordered separately. It's very easy to release and change. You just squeeze down and pull it out, and to put it in is also very easy. Just push it in and hear the click. When you're placing your camera in, make sure that all the knobs and buttons aren't in the way. This also goes for closing the case as well. Once it's flush, you can snap it back together. I'm using the Canon EF 8-15mm fisheye. In your universal zoom gear package, you will find 2 necessary pieces, a round ring with springs, and a soft foam-like tape that needs to be stuck onto the inside of the ring. The pack comes with 2 different size strips. You will need to use the thinner strip for this lens. Once you have that together, you have to place the ring over the lens from the back side and lining up the red dot with the groove that's on the outside of the ring. Just like this. Once that's in place, you can put your lens in. Slightly push down and turn. Before this next step, make sure that your lens is nice and clean and that your O-rings are slightly lubed. Next, we will be putting on the dome and port extension, the DL 20mm port extension, and the DL compact 8-inch dome port. These 2 pieces also need to be bought separately. This is for this particular lens. If you're using a different lens, you'll need to check the website to see what is compatible for it. On your extender, you'll need to unscrew your screws so that they are flush with the inside of the surface, and the same with the dome. Then you can place them together. Once sealed together, you can tighten the screws from the extender to the dome. Next, you'll place it over your lens. Make sure that the zoom is in, and then seal and screw. For your strobe, you'll need to separately purchase the sync cord as well as the CT1 hot shoe. Place a bit of lube around the connection pieces. And make sure that when you're screwing it in, you screw it in all the way. To connect your strobe, it is pretty straightforward. You press the silver button to open the lock, then place your arm in, and then release the button to lock it in place. This is the compact ball arm quick release handle. You will also need to purchase this separately from your strobe. Alright, so this is the final setup. So I'll see you guys underwater. Say cheese!